Hi, Mark with lowcostinternetbusiness.com. I'm going to show you how to make a simple lead capture page that you can use for your business, any business. And what we're going to do is just show you the setup of how you can do this simply. You don't need anything too extravagant. I'm using an old version of Adobe PageMill. They don't even make it anymore. So what we'll do first is put in a table. Let's see, where's the table? There's the table. We want one row, two columns, so it's going to look like that. And we can remove the border. I personally don't like the border. It's okay, it's up to you. Anyways, what we'll do here is just make it a little bigger. On this side, we're going to put intro video, and on this side, we're going to put a subscribe form. Okay, so it's quite easy to do. I'm using Global NPN for the subscription form autoresponder. It's pretty low cost, and there's an amazing opportunity to make money with this program. So you get a lot for your money. So look at this. Okay, I'm just going to do Global NPN here, and I've already got a couple of lists set up. So I'm going to use this one, Low Cost Internet Business, and create a form for my site, for my lead capture page. All I want to do is ask for the first name, and it automatically asks for the email address. So I'm just going to forget the rest of the options, and we could use this. This is our button, and you could make it say whatever you like. It says go. I like to say subscribe now. And basically we just generate the code here, and we scroll down and you'll see there's a bunch of code there. So I'm going to highlight this code, cut it out, and I'm going to go to my HTML editor, and I'm going into the source mode where you see all the code that you might not be familiar with otherwise, and just paste it right into there, and you save it. Okay, I'm going to save this. It's already saved as form test. Okay, so here's what it's going to look like a little bit. You can get a better view of it in Windows Explorer. Here's an example here. Now we can edit this and jazz it up a bit. It looks pretty basic right now. So in the edit mode, we can take out that subscribe form. You can say subscribe now. Use great, if I could spell, great add copy here to entice your readers to put in their name and email address, and you can change the font style as well, you know, and go bold and, you know, change it up a bit. And here is important as well. You want to put in a video. Maybe you have a video from YouTube. I've got something in YouTube already set up, so I'm going to go there, just click on the share button, embed, and it gives you a link. You can choose the size of the video you want. I find the 480 by 360 a good size for the screen on a lead capture page. So we'll cut that, and then we'll paste it into our HTML editor in the source mode right there between the two selection tags. Paste it, save it, and now let's just give a quick view in our Internet Explorer program. Allow block content. You might get that depending on how your computer's set up. So now you have a video here and a subscription form, and it doesn't look too pretty yet. However, as you continue to edit, you can change your title, something attention grabbing. You want a great headline here. Great headline. Let's say in 30 seconds you can to create your own wealth. Okay, that's not the greatest headline, but you're gonna get an idea from that. You can go to sites like copyblogger.com and get some really good information on how to get good headlines. And you'll also see that information in my blog there too. So you can jazz it up and do some things. You can add a little bit of other images, like let's say I have a little arrow that I like to use in some of them, in some of my pages. Now we'll just go to Internet Explorer. See that? See, great headline, 30 seconds you can learn how to create your own wealth. Subscribe now, use great ad copy here. You want to, obviously jazz it up a bit, but this basically gives you a simple idea of how to get your lead capture page set up fairly quickly. And you notice you can't scroll down anywhere. All the information is contained in one page, so it's quick loading. Your viewer doesn't have to scroll down through all types of information. It's right there. They can make a decision based on what you've given them quickly, and it's fairly easy to enter your name and email address. So there you go. That's it. I mean, you can use different elements, of course, and look at other samples and then sort of decide what you want to do. But keep it simple. Use a good headline and a call to action, in your video, or if you even use bullet points here. If you don't have a video, you can use bullet points and explain your benefits. A call to action, which is subscribe to your list here, and you need an autoresponder in order to keep a list and have subscribers. So Global NPN is a good way to do it for such a low cost that it is. Plus, it's an amazing income opportunity just with the business itself that's contained within it. So I hope that works for you. If you've got any questions, feel free to put a comment on there on the blog, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.